So once there was a group chairman and he called me into his office who owns 26 businesses across 14 sectors and 8 different countries. He calls and says, "Look at this problem." And I look at this issue and I say, "This is not an architecture problem, this is a business strategy problem." He looks at back me again and says, "Solve it architecturally." What's the hidden problem here? The group CTO wants to standardize everything. The business unit CEO does not want to standardize anything. So between both of them, it doesn't get solved. What happens the next? In the next phase, when the problem is not solved above, it leaks it. And in this phase, the problem is never about the standardization or a technology. It's about the boundary, the layer. And that missing boundary almost cost one of the biggest costs in 4 conglomerate Indian companies. It was not about the duplicate systems, it was not about the technical depths, it was not about the expensive softwares, it was about in which layer the problem exists. Now, when this problem exists, when it was measured, it was almost 280 to 420 crores of rupees. And this delta was year after year always showing up, pending. And this is having a 3-layer framework. Now, this 3-layer framework is about invariable code, which is having compliance, security, regulatory, and no exceptions. The second is about the configurable measure, where every business is laid down with different business configuration. And third is a souvenir edge, where no organization reaches. So when everyone sits to solve with these 3 layers, let's say a problem is in layer 1, they come and try to tackle. They visit, okay, this is a problem in layer 1, and that's how they decide. Then comes the layer 2. People sees in the group, backs off and wait to solve. The layer 3, the same way. But here the issue is still not solved because the issue is not in the standardization, the issue is in the layer. So when we are trying to solve the problem, the fight is always on. It is named under the leadership. It is always 18 months delayed, and every time it arises, it is under different name with different figure and market as not solved. So in order to solve this, you can come across a amazing framework which is there in chapter 3 of my book, Enterprise Architect Wins. If you have came across same problem sitting at the tables and not knowing what to do next, I would love to hear in the comment section. Thank you.